Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 12 by 12 canvas down here on my Lazy Susan, and I really want to try another one of the Kathleen Miller specials. The one that she does a drizzle, then she does a swipe, a wreck, and a spin. That's what I'm going to give a whirl at. I got some new paints in, got them off Amazon. They're company since 1975. I've never heard of them. It's called Flash. Got 25 different colors in here. Sticker on the back for some reason says for Canada sale only. So if you're in the US and you can't find these, sorry, but they do have some really nice colors. Hopefully they do a beautiful painting. We'll find out. So let me put that box aside. And I've also got some neons. I have neon pink, a neon yellow, and a neon orange. Now that's from this line right here, Arteco neon acrylics. Also got these off of Amazon. There'll be descriptions in the link, or there'll be links in the descriptions. And if you want to click on something, if you buy something through my link, I'll get a tiny commission from Amazon on a gift card to replenish some of my stock. So feel free to check it out if you want. And anybody that's new watching, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside. It doesn't cost anything to do and means the world to me. And everybody that keeps coming back, all my regulars, thank you so much. Love the comments, love the thumbs up. I just can't thank you enough. Okay, let's do this painting. I'm going to be doing Arteza. This one is the Pearl Deep Brown. That's what I'm going to use for my swipe color. It's a really pretty brown. I don't know if you can see the consistency or not well enough. Hopefully you can. That's going to be my swipe color. So I'm going to use all of these for drizzle. I've got a red, ultramarine blue, turquoise green, brilliant purple, I think that's called. Yeah, brilliant purple. The aqua green, sky blue. I think that's pretty much all the colors, but there will be a picture popping up right now that'll show you all the colors I'm using. Okay, got the white acrylic already on my canvas. Let's drizzle some color down. I'm going to first start with red. And we're just going to drizzle all around. Now my colors here are mixed 50-50. So if I put 3 tablespoons of acrylic paint in this cup, I also put 3 tablespoons of Floetrol in this cup. There's no water added and no silicone. It's just 50-50. Now with this drizzle, when I see Kathleen Miller do it, now if you haven't seen Kathleen Miller do her paintings, she's got these stained glass, gorgeous looking. She's got many different techniques, but this one I like the best. And she calls it her drizzle, her swipe, her wreck, and her spinaroo is actually her term she uses. Very, very neat lady. Please go to her channel and check her out if you haven't already. Okay. There's the red down for now. Now let's put some blue. Ultramarine blue. I think this one I'm just going to go side to side. There's no rhyme or reason to this. You just do whatever you feel like doing. I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy out there. Wear your masks. Stick to your households. Let's try and kick this crazy COVID-19 by the time Christmas hits or just after. If we all do our part, we will be good. I know it's hard because we all love our family members, and this just doesn't seem like a Christmas like we usually would have. but let's just make the best of it. Now I have a new American friend. Her channel, her name is Moosekrazy, and she has, her other title in her YouTube channel is The Flowing Canvas. Really neat lady. I'm actually going to make her a split cup. It's on the printer right now, Moose, so it should be shipped to you in a couple days. I'll let you know. But she's going to be getting a split cup with her channel name on it, The Flowing Canvas. So I can't wait for her to do a painting with one of the split cups, which if you haven't seen already, my amazing man Greg got himself a 3D printer and made me a split cup with Sandra Sensations on it. I don't know if you can make that out. I have two different styles, this one as well. He just did an amazing job on them. So yes, a style like this is coming your way, Moose. Just haven't finished printing it yet. They take about 15 hours, I think, to print. Could be exaggerated, maybe 12 hours, I don't know, but a long time anyways. Okay, blue's down. Here I am gabbing away. And I don't know, 1 or 2 videos back, I played music and really wanted to get some comments from everybody that's viewing to let me know if you like the music or if you just like to hear me talk. To be totally honest, doing the music and not talking in my video was probably one of the hardest things I've ever done. I had no idea I was such a chatterbox, but obviously I am. Mind you, at work the girls always say, "You're always so quiet." So I don't know, but let me know in the comments if you like me talking or you want me to put some music on and zip it. Because we can make arrangements around here. I'm the boss. Shh, don't tell Greg that. Actually, you can tell Greg that. He already knows. And if he tried to argue it, he'd lose. Okay, there's some sky blue down. So what do you think? Lots of colors so far? Let's add some aqua green. Okay, I'm going to go back to swirling. Doesn't this look like fun, you guys? It really is. You guys got to try it. Making some crazy creations is a lot of fun. Very relaxing. And before I got into acrylic painting, the traditional acrylic painting, and then I got tired of doing mountains and lakes and trees and all that kind of stuff, I checked out this pour painting thing, and now I'm so hooked. Abstract art and pour painting and liquids, and love it. So if any of you watching right now are thinking, do I want to do this? Do I want to try it? Yes, you do. Anybody can do this. You don't have to have an art degree. All you have to do is want to really create some of your very own masterpieces. That's all you need. Some paints, a little bit of Floetrol or glue and water. Lots of people do the glue and water. I did for a long time. I personally like the Floetrol better now, but lots of people still do the glue and water and they love it. Okay. I'm going to move a little faster now because my video is going to be way too long and you guys aren't going to stick around and watch it. Definitely a great time to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and come back and join me for another painting because I do it almost every night. I post 2 or 3 times a week, if not more, depending on how busy my work schedule is. Ooh, that neon pink is bright. I might not be as generous with the neon pink. Am I sharing it enough? I think so. Plenty. Okay. Almost got all my colors down. This beautiful turquoise green. I know I'm going to love this because I always love the turquoise colors. Whether it's a turquoise blue or a turquoise green. It's one of my go-to colors all the time. Okay. I'm going to go right up the middle just because I love this color. Okay. And the orange. Last one. And then it's time to swipe. Now I think when I swipe, I might zip it. And we'll get Greg to put on a little bit of music and maybe speed it up a little bit. How's that sound? Trying new things here at Sandra Sensations. Okay. Now it's time to swipe. I'm just going to pour some color into my lid. It's just a plastic lid, throwaway kind of thing. Put my swipe color down and start dipping my card. Now my cards are from the paint store. They look like this. You get them in all different kinds of color schemes. Awesome for swiping and awesome to inspire you to put some colors together to do your own painting. So 2 things in one. Okay, so that's what I'm going to swipe with. So now I'm going to zip it and Greg's going to put some music on for you. Stick around, okay? Beautiful. Love it. I think it's just awesome. Thanks very much for joining me, everybody. I hope you stick around, watch another video, and remember, please hit subscribe. Thanks again, everyone. Bye for now.